Hello, my name is Lily Newman. The main points that I have found in these readings are that multilingualism, global engagement, and intercultural understanding are all parts of international mindedness. International mindedness is central to the IB mission and its foundational principle to its educational philosophy. In the first reading, it states, education and international mindedness begins by creating a culture in school that values the world as the broadest context for learning. This is saying that in order for international mindedness education to happen, you need to make sure that the culture in your school isn't just based off one culture, but as many as there can be. The first main point that I had found in the first reading is how to build international mindedness schools. The first thing you need to do is focus on student inquiries on global human commonalities. You need to create opportunities for exchange of culture, and you need to embrace multilingualism. The second main point that I had found is when creating a culture international mindedness environment, there are three main things that you need. You need to make sure the mission statements and policies of international mindedness are available. You need to encourage participation in school decision making. And you need to provide opportunities for the learning community to model, develop, and to demonstrate aspects of international mindedness. For the second reading, which was language and PYP, language learning was the main idea. This includes development of home and family language, languages of schools, and additional language and literacy. This is integral for exploring and sustaining cognitive and personal development and cultural identity. The first main point that I had found in this reading is development in international mindedness. This states that multilingualism is significant in building international mindedness, as it gives students insight into thinking about perspectives of self and others. The second main point that I had found was three aspects of language learning. Those three aspects are learning language, learning through language, and language about language. I'm going to give you a few examples of both. Learning language example would be learning a new word. Learning through language example would be reading a text to get new info. That could be a newspaper article, an online article, or a book. Language about language example would be spelling new words. These main ideas interface because they are all explaining how multilingualism is very important in creating an international mindedness environment. They also talk about how it is important to encourage the students to participate in school activities and decisions. These ideas can help promote learning in the classroom or community because it gives you ideas and examples on how to add to your lessons and how to make multilingual students feel comfortable and confident in your classroom. It also gives them a chance to show the other children that adding diversity into your classroom helps everyone learning more overall. These two readings have taught me that international mindedness is very important when thinking about diversities in school and classrooms and communities.